They say numbers are just numbers, but what if they're messages? What if the number 222 isn't just a coincidence, but a cosmic nudge, a whisper from the universe? In this video, I will explain my encounter with the angel number 222, and then I will show you how to discover the mysteries of your life destiny. Everywhere I go, it's there. On clocks, receipts, street signs. At first, I thought it was random, a quirk of my brain filtering for patterns, but then something clicked. 222 started showing up when I needed it most. Moments of doubt, crossroads, or even when I felt completely lost. It wasn't just a number, it was a sign, a signal urging me to trust myself and the process. In numerology, 222 embodies harmony, balance, and alignment. It's like the universe reminding you to trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. When I stopped resisting and embraced this idea, life began to shift. Relationships improved, decisions became clearer, and peace replaced anxiety. So, is number 222 really my angel number? Or is it just a placebo effect that my mind latched onto for comfort? Honestly, I don't care. What matters is how it's helped me refocus and reclaim control. Maybe your angel number is waiting for you too. You just have to notice it. By now, you might be wondering how to discover the mysteries of your life destiny. And you know what? You can do it today. With my free numerology guide, you will also get a super cool bonuses. Click the link below to claim your free copy and start your journey towards self-discovery today.